What's up mga quiz, mga ateis? Welcome back sa ating channel. This is Quiz Alan. Ngayon, papanoorin natin yung official trailer ng Lilo and Stitch. So this is the live adaptation ng sikat na animation ng animated movie ng Disney at ng tama ba? Disney siya. Yeah. So panoorin natin to and later ibibigay ko yung reaction ko on the said trailer. So let's go!
We have apprehended a dangerous experiment. Where is he?
He escaped.
He's trying to find the police cruisers.
He took the red one.
What hideous planet is caught in your crosshairs?
Shooting star! I wish for a friend. Like a best friend.
What the hell?
He's so cute and fluffy.
He is your responsibility. Got it.
We promise.
Yeah.
Get down from there.
Look like an angel.
No. Control him. Hey, what are you doing? No. Dogs on the table.
You sure that's a dog?
Yeah.
Rough.
Ew. We are not keeping this thing.
Ohana means family. Family means nobody gets left behind.
Or forgotten.
Stitch that.
Sometimes family isn't perfect. That doesn't mean they aren't good. That was close. I don't think you're supposed to drink that.
Agent Cobra Bubbles, we have a blue dog to catch.
No, wait.
No. I'm gonna give you to the count of 3, Stitch. 1.
Okay, tayo ko napanood natin yung official trailer ng Lilo and Stitch, yung live adaptation ng animated movie with the same title na produced ng Disney. Well, so far, I am happy of what I saw. I'm very accurate na may mga characters from Stitch mismo and si Lilo, yung bata. So, yung bata, she looks like an Hawaiian or should I say Pacific Islander, diba? Tapos si Stitch, kuha naman nila yung sa drawing. Hindi ako masyadong makapagbigay ng further reaction kasi hindi ko napanood yung animated series. So napanood ko lang yung mga trailer lang niya. So based to sa nakita kong trailer in the past nung animated movie, I can say na nakuha naman nung live adaptation, nakuha niya everything except to sa who played Nani. She looks more like a Latina than Pacific Islander. So yun, lang naman issue pa. But everything, I think na nakopya naman nila yung animated series. Animated movie. So I'm very satisfied naman yan. So far, ito yung mga masasabi ko, medyo siguro masasabi yung successful na adaptation ng Disney sa mga animated movies nila. So I can say na good job. So medyo makakabawi dito yung Disney when it comes to sa accuracy ng mga character ng story, di ba? So So hopefully yung success na nakuha nung movie, animated movie, makuha rin itong series kasi based on what I saw naman, I enjoy naman, nakakatuwa, yun nga lang, pambata talaga yung movie. So I don't know sa mga adults o young at hearts pang enjoy. Ako, again, hindi ko nga napanood yung movie, ay yung animated version. So hopefully pa ito panoorin ko and try ko na lang later yung animated movie. So, saka ako pagkukumpara, diba? So, again, I am very satisfied of the live adaptation version and na-capture naman yun lahat ng mga gusto kong makita based on the trailer ng animated movie, diba? Okay, so yun. So very, very happy naman ako. Very happy. And the vibe of the movie ng animated, kuha naman ng live adaptation. So far so good. And ay pa paano dito makakabawi ang Disney kasi mukhang problematic to sa tawag dito yung Seven Dwarfs, diba? Sleeping Beauty. Ay, Sleeping Beauty pa yun. I forgot. Basta yung may Seven Dwarfs, diba? Medyo controversial doon yun. Because of yung kumalap na witch na si Gal Gadot na isang Zionist, and yun namang bida, medyo nakiking question daw yung looks niya kasi nga, sabi nga, beautiful, diba? Pero yun nga, mukhang, tama si Sleeping Beauty yun. Tama ba ako? Sleeping Beauty yun. Pero parang nakukulangan daw sila sa beauty, pero yeah. So I hope sana yung itong Lilo and Stitch will help na makabawi despite of the problem to sa live adaptation ng Sleeping Beauty. Sleeping, di ba? Hindi ko maalala na. Sleeping Beauty pa yun. And Sleeping Beauty and the Seven Dwarfs. Yun. Basta yun na lang. Basta yung Seven Dwarfs. Yun. So yun. So, itong pambawi nila, Lilo and Stitch, na well-loved ng mga young ones and even mga young adults, di ba? So, there you go. Kayo mga quiz, mga aunties, did you like the live adaptation version ng Lilo and Stitch? Mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. And nakustuhan nyo ba yung binigay kong, I hope nakatulong to binigay kong opinion about the trailer. So mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. And I will read all your comments and I will try to interact with you guys para pag-usapan-usapan, di ba, mag-share tayo ng mga thoughts about that movie. So, there you go. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye-bye.